Greetings, family. Welcome to another haircutting tutorial from Mr. Lee, the on-code barber. Okay, we're just gonna go straight into this right now. We're gonna start with a Rempo trimmer. We're gonna start bolting out around the sides. Okay. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, family. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, the type of hair that we're working with right now is a 4 round about a C texture, so it's really coarse. Trimmer we're using is the Rempo trimmer. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the Andy Slimline Pro Lee, just to neaten up that bold line, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna first make our first guideline with a War Magic clip. Open guard. We're gonna go up about an inch and a half. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna close it halfway just to start to lighten up that fade. Okay, when we've lightened that up enough, we're gonna go in, we're gonna close it, and we're gonna get rid of the last weight line. And on this video, I'm going to use 2 different techniques. One technique on one side, one on the other side, to get rid of the rest of the weight. So on this side, what we're going to do, we're going to use the half guard first. We're going to use it open. I'm just going to keep knocking it up. Then we're going to close it on the bottom. Especially with hair like this, make sure you keep combing it and combing it and combing it. So now we're going in with the one guard open. And again, once we've done with the one guard open, we've lightened it up as much as we can, then we're gonna close it. So now what we're doing right now is taking a guard off, opening it right up, and just trying to lay the hair down. This is a technique that you can use on this type of hair. It works perfect for this type of hair texture. You can actually skip a guard with this technique also, which I'm going to show you on the side. Instead of using a half guard going up, then the one, we're just going to go straight in with no guard. I'm just going to angle the clipper and go ahead and take it down. See that? I mean, we will come back with the 1 or the half, but that's just to sort of, you know, do some detail work on it. Okay, so the half guard open. Then we close it. Guys, you can use that technique if you want to save some time. Also, it just depends how you like to cut. Sometimes I might vary the techniques. Okay, so now we're going to use some clipper over comb just to get rid of any unwanted bulk that you can see up in the fade. So that bulk at the back, I'm going to tap that out with a clipper over comb. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the hair out. We're not necessarily doing a flat top. What we're doing is just a high top, yeah? So afterwards I'm going to sponge it, but the camera kind of cut off, so didn't get a chance to record that bit. But it's not meant to be a flat top. It's just a high top. We're going to use a sponge on it, okay? Make sure you brush down your client. Get rid of any excess hair. And then now what we're going to do is I'm going to go and start doing some freehand work. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to shape it all up. Start with the front. See, if you look right in there, you can see how tight the curls are on this hair type. It's about a 4B, 4C. And what this is doing at the front is it's shaping it and also tapering it at the same time. Okay? So that's another trick that I use. So when it comes to lining it up, it all stands out. And again, family, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help my channel to grow. Keep me inspired. Okay, so I'm going to apply some Topics hair fibers. I'm literally going to put them where I'm going to put the line anyway. Okay. Then we're going to add some spritz. Okay, so while that's setting, what I'm doing now is I'm just doing a bit of cleanup work, detailing. Extra couple of minutes goes a long way when you're cutting hair, you know. I tend to not just like my clients to just jump in and straight out the chair. I'll go in and do the extra work. Again, detail, detail, detail. Okay, in with the Slimline Pro leads. These are my favorite trimmers for doing lineups, hands down. I use the Rem Pro for balding. I use the Slimline Pros to go over, and I use the Slimline Pros to line up. That's my setup at the moment. Yeah, sorry family, I had to reload this beat. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Okay family, this is the end of the video. This is the cut. I hope you love the information. I hope you love the visuals, the soundtrack. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, share. Peace.